What's up guys, my name is Mike Blair and we are right here at 3567 Mount Everest Boulevard, right here in the heart of Clairemont. This property is fully remodeled. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's about 1,200 square feet and I can't wait to show you guys all the amazing upgrades. Let's go take a look inside. All right, so right when you walk into the property, you'll notice right away the luxury vinyl plank flooring as you come in through that modern door. And right when we go in through the property, you'll see the spacious open concept of the living room, and then you'll see this gorgeous kitchen. It has the waterfall feature of the quartz countertops. We have the built-in microwave right here into the peninsula, and then all the drawers in the cabinets have that soft close feature, which is amazing. And then all of the amazing stainless steel appliances. You can see this is that high-end Samsung appliance, and I love this feature. It's a great appliance and it looks really cool in this house. We have the refrigerator here, and then on this side we have a ton of storage space. So you can see all of the storage cabinets here, and then right here you can see the walk-in pantry. So in the pantry, you can fit all of your goods and all of your snacks. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom, and I want to show you guys a couple features in here. So as we walk this way, we'll walk into the primary bedroom, and as you can see, it's very spacious. It does have that slider door that walks out to the sunroom, the covered patio area. And then in this room and all the other rooms, there's recessed lighting, which again brings a lot of light into the property, but there's a lot of windows here that also brings a lot of natural light. As we work our way down into the primary ensuite bathroom, you'll notice the 2 double vanities here. Again, the soft close drawers with a lot of the black finishes. And then we have this amazing, gorgeous walk-in shower. It is very spacious and a lot of really cool features in here. And then we have the toilet room, and then we have the primary closet. This primary closet does have some built-in features. So it has all the drawers, it has all of the hanging capabilities for all of your clothes. So it is perfect for the right buyer. We're gonna check out the backyard in a bit, but let's go take a look at the other bedrooms. We have a laundry room on that side, and then we have 2 more bedrooms on this side. As we were walking towards those 2 bedrooms, we're gonna come across that shared bathroom. So again, the shared bathroom does feature the quartz countertops, the black finishes. It has the tub tile combo, again with the black finishes in here as well. And the luxury vinyl plank flooring goes all the way through this property. And then we have the 2 smaller bedrooms here, again with the recessed lighting, the closets, and then again, the large windows with a lot of natural light. And let's go take a look at the sunroom real quick, and we will close out this property tour. All right, so now we are in the sunroom, which opens up to the backyard. And this is a great place to hang out, have fun, enjoy your company, and go out to the backyard to be able to see the amazing view that this property has. And so if you or anyone you know is looking to live in the Clairemont area, this could be the perfect property for you. Again, it's fully remodeled, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's looking for somebody like you to come live in it.